Welcome back to my channel, where we explore the secrets of success and personal growth. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of time management and productivity hacks. Are you ready to unlock your full potential and make the most of every precious minute? Let's get started. Conduct a time audit. Raise your hand if you've ever felt like there just aren't enough hours in the day. Well, my friend, it's time to take back control. Step 1 is to conduct a time audit. Take a deep dive into how you're actually spending your time. Are you channeling it towards activities that align with your goals? Or are you finding yourself lost in a sea of distractions? Visualize your time allocation by creating a detailed map of your typical day. From work and school commitments to household chores, commuting, and leisure activities, leave no hour unaccounted for. This awareness will provide a valuable starting point for reclaiming your precious time. Set clear priorities. Now that you've audited your time, let's move on to setting clear priorities. Ever felt overwhelmed by an ever-growing to-do list? You're not alone. But fear not, we have just the solution: the Eisenhower Matrix. The Eisenhower Matrix helps you identify what truly matters. Break down your to-dos based on their urgency and importance. This powerful tool will provide clarity and guide you towards tackling important tasks while minimizing time wasted on trivial matters. Embrace the Pomodoro Technique. Are you tired of feeling burnt out and overwhelmed? Then it's time to fall in love with the Pomodoro Technique. Developed by Francesco Cirillo, this time management gem can transform your productivity levels. Here's how it works. Set a timer for 25 minutes and fully dedicate yourself to a single task. Be laser-focused and give it your all. Once the timer rings, take a well-deserved 5-minute breather. Rinse and repeat. You'll be amazed by how much you can accomplish without succumbing to mental exhaustion. Optimize your workspace. Did you know that your physical environment greatly impacts your productivity? It's time to declutter, my friend. Start by optimizing your workspace and creating an environment that fosters focus and inspiration. Clear your desk. Free your mind. Get rid of any unnecessary items that distract you. A clutter-free space promotes clarity and reduces mental stress. Remember, a tidy environment equals a tidy mind. Learn the power of saying no. Repeat after me. No, I cannot take on that extra project. Ah, it feels liberating, doesn't it? Learning to say no is a vital time management skill. Recognize your limits and prioritize your own well-being. Focus on your strengths and delegate tasks that can be handled more efficiently by others. Don't spread yourself too thin. It's okay to say no. Remember, quality over quantity. Stay disciplined. Avoid multitasking. Let's debunk a common myth. Multitasking doesn't make you a productivity superhero. In fact, it does quite the opposite. Research shows that multitasking diminishes efficiency and increases the risk of errors. Stay focused by tackling one task at a time. Give it your full attention and watch your productivity soar. You'll be amazed by how much more you accomplish without the constant task switching. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more great content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to us, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting videos in the future.